Hey everybody, Amprepairguy.com, also HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So, I was working on a Heathkit SB220 yesterday. I had to order a part for it, so no video on that for yesterday, but I'm going to work on this today. This is Al-811. Customer bought it at a Hamfest. Has some issues. Someone changed the filter caps. They did a pretty good job. This is a weird setup though. I've never seen this before. These are snap in type, and they crimped ring terminals on the leads and actually secured them with screws through the ring terminals to the board. The only thing I'd be afraid of is possibly snapping off. So I'm going to talk to the customer and make him aware of that. You know, vibrating during shipping. I've been told that they can snap. So, needs a bias mod. Needs gas discharge tubes. One of the SO239s has 0 grip. This one has on the output one. Has a bunch, but I'm going to change both with new ones from Allen Bond and Max Gain Systems. The choke was really loose. I'll put a new screw in it, longer one. I need to change the strap. Badly frayed. Getting a brand new set of Penta lap tubes. Awesome customer service. Awesome company over there. Great people. So I'm going to get to work. I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned.